cream is $20.75. Let me go and see what is going on. Okay, not bad. What is currently 63? Not as high. It's not bad. I mean, it's close to the top. Close to the top. Okay. Look at it. It's a full candle, guys. Wow. Cream is looking interesting, but the price is a bit high. Let me use the 1 minute checker to see the volatility. Let's see the volatility. Thank you, Beth. Oh my God. Look at this. Is it going up? It looks good though, but the price, if you're picking a coin that its price is high, to get profit is quite difficult, because not as if it's difficult, because it's actually your 2%. You can get your 2% if you go to, in fact, I'm thinking of trying this out. Let's try cream. It looks good actually. Cream looks good, and it's going up. So I think I'll take cream. Let's work on cream. Let me see it again. It's $20, but it looks like it will work. It's a full candle. It's a strong candle. So I'll go with it. Let's just pick $50 worth of that, and we'll end the live stream with that, okay? So it's not picking everything, but it's picking. Yeah, it is picking it. Yeah, I think we got it bought. Interesting. We got it bought, guys. Let's go and set. We're going to have to go and set this in our, convert. Definitely, it has to be convert, guys. It has to be convert. It cannot be any other place. So how much did we buy? We bought $49.99 practically. We bought practically $50 worth. So let's go to convert. And so I'm picking the trade, Akim. Can you see that? I'm picking it. I've picked cream. Cream, let's hope it does us well. All right. So I checked it out. It looks good. Right. It looks good. It looks good. Okay. So I am going to put the USDT there. All right. And then we're going to pick the entire thing, and we're going to set it to 2.4%. Okay. Sorry, 2%, I mean. So we're going to pick up everything. Let's change this to see whether, will it go to 7? Now this is where we have to now see it. Will it go to 779? How much is that going to give us? It's not giving us much. You can see what is going on here. Oh, what are we talking about? It's already at 79. Okay, will it go to not 8? Let's say 9, 20.9. Oh, 20.23. Can you see? Just 23 cents. No way, guys. No way. Maybe we should change it to 21. Will it go to 21? I don't know. Let's check it out. This thing, can you see what I'm saying? It wants it to go higher. It wants it to go higher. Let's say 21.5. Oh, okay. Getting closer. Let us reduce it to 21.2. Okay, 21.3. I think I'm cool with that. 21.29. Okay, 2928. Just something a little bit above 2%. That's okay. So we've set it to 21.28. Let's hope that works. I hope it goes beyond that. We're going to be getting 51.14. Let's hope that works. I will be looking out for this. So cream, we have taken cream, and we are hoping that works. Okay, so let me go into cream to show you exactly what exactly happened. Remember that we bought $50 worth of cream. I think it was exactly $50 on the dot, maybe $49.99. Oh yeah, $49.99. That was exactly what we had, $49.99, which is practically 50. So let me take you into the convert section. Yeah, so see cream was a $50 trade, and we were able to get $1.14. Don't forget that there are no charges in the convert section, so all this 114 is ours. Okay, if it was in the spot trading, it will take 5 cents, but right now, because we needed for it to pick up everything, and I'm wondering, why shouldn't I just be doing all my trades in converts? Maybe I'll consider that, every single one. Maybe I can buy it in the spot trading, and then I would sell it, in the convert. Maybe I will look at that. Welcome, people. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate your joining. God bless you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do spot trading here, inter-exchange arbitrage, and triangular arbitrage on this channel. Not futures. Don't mix it up. Not futures. Okay. So as you can see here, we made $1.14. If I go to calculate that, how much will that be? What profit percentage will that be? Let's check it out, guys. I think that should be, let me check it out. That will be, that's how much. If I put $50 times, I think it should be what am I saying? It should be 2.4. Oh, 2.4 is more than that. 2.2. What was it? $1.14, right? So let's see, 2.25. Now, $1.14 should be 2.3 or 2.4 or 2.35. What am I saying? 2.31. Oh, oh, it's even less than 2.3. 2.28. Okay, like that. 2.28% that we made, guys. 2.28% that we made on that trade. Really interesting.